What's up, everyone? Today I'm hiking in the Blue Ridge Mountains down in Virginia. My plan is just to set up camp, go on a little bit of a hike to see a view at sunset, and then come back, cook some delicious food over the campfire, and we're supposed to get some snow overnight, so we'll see what we wake up to, but should be a good one. Let's get into it. So I'm in Sky Meadows State Park, and one of the cool things about this area is that apparently it is a dark sky reservation, which is surprising to me because we're so close to Washington, D.C., but I'm curious to see what the stars are going to look like tonight. Although, given the impending snowstorm, we're probably just going to be covered in clouds.
It's a hard life being an outdoor creator. With isolation like this, you can go crazy. Out here, it's just me, my knife, and the animals trying to kill me. Oh, well, time to eat a snack.
I was going to be home for the night. I just drop off the stuff and then get on the trail so we can see a little bit of a view, hopefully, before the sun sets. And one of the pleasures of tonight is we have a new tent. When I first saw this, I thought it said "Be bear aware, stash food and friends," and I thought, oh, that's a little harsh, but fair. So this is my first time camping anywhere with a bear locker, and I have a few questions. Namely, why would you put it right here next to where you're gonna store your tent? Like, whose idea was it to say, you know what, let's put all of our food and smelly items into a safe place and put the sleeping humans right next to it in a thin fabric tent? Anyways, on that note, time to head off and see what we can see for a view before the sun sets. Let's get to it. Well, hello there, friends. Sure is pretty. There's another overlook a little bit farther up, so let's go see what we can see. This isn't as wild as I usually like to camp, but there's something wholesome about just seeing farmland roll away before your eyes with some mountains in the distance. I mean, look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Okay, now we're talking. And that is why you stick around for sunsets. You never know how good they're gonna get. All right, back at the campsite. Let's get this tent set up and get this fire going. Ooh yeah, jackpot. Let's get this thing back to camp. That'll do nicely. Oh, I love this thing. Just so much better than the other saw. I don't know if it's better per se, at cutting at least, but it's definitely easier to set up. That is for sure. Boom. Oh yeah, that's punky. So you see how rotten the inside of that wood is? It might still burn, but it's not gonna burn well, so I'll have to save that until I have some really good coals going. There you go. So today, I'm gonna try something I've never tried before, which is a ferrocerium rod. So first I'm gonna scrape off some of the magnesium to create some shavings. Alright, there. Come on, little buddy. I'm just gonna use that fire starter to make my life easier. Now that the fire's going nicely, it's time to set up my tent. And I got a new one, the Sling Fin Crossbow 2, which is gonna be my winter tent from here on out. So let's see how this goes. And there she is. Looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Oh yeah, it'll feel nice to get into this bad boy. For tonight's feast, we're going to make Philly cheesesteaks. So I got some rolls, steak to put on the grill, green pepper, mushrooms, onions, provolone cheese, some spices to put in with the veggies, and olive oil in which to cook them, and then grapes as a snack. I am so excited. This is gonna be delicious. Let's cook the steak. Now it's time to get a little cozy, set up the chair. This thing has been so nice to have. It's not necessary, but it is real nice. Feels good to take a load off, I'll tell you that much. Whew. Looking good in the neighborhood. Oh, there's a pack of something over there. Oh, hey deer. Just some deer. Sorry, y'all. I definitely thought you were something else, but carry on. I've been listening to them get closer for the last like 10 minutes or so, and I was like, okay, it's time to just confront whatever that is. Anyways, before I was interrupted there. Some olive oil, the onions. This is garlic powder and Italian seasoning. And this is black pepper. And while the other items are cooking, time to cut into the steak. That's a little overcooked, unfortunately. It's definitely a medium, probably medium well a little bit, but oh well. Oh yeah, it's coming together nicely. Whoopsie daisies. Oh yeah, that is looking choice. Oh, that's gonna be so messy. I definitely overstuffed these. Well, not the ideal presentation, but man, are they gonna taste delicious. Oh, oh yeah. Hopefully they don't fall apart too much because they're definitely soggy. I needed these. Look at that deliciousness. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. I'm gonna enjoy these and then hit you up when I'm getting ready for bed. Oh, well, that was a wonderful time. Oh my goodness, that cheesesteak was so good. Oh, really glad I made that. Starting to sleet now. It's supposed to turn into snow at some point, so we'll see. You never know with the weatherman what's gonna happen, but hopefully we wake up and it's snow outside. It's gonna be an amazing morning, and I'll talk to you then. There's the coyotes again. Always an interesting night in the woods. Good morning. It took me a little while to fall asleep, but after I did, I slept pretty well for most of the night. I'm curious to see what the outside looks like because I can see that the tent's weighed down, but not sure how much we got, so we'll see. But yeah, it's a nice brisk morning, and let's get up and get after it. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh, not a ton of snow, just about an inch or so, but it does look nice. Tent held up fine. I mean, it better, but not bad for an inaugural use. All right, friends, I brought some chorizo and potatoes to make some hash with, but it's so beautiful out. I kind of want to see what that view from yesterday looks like with the snow. So I'm gonna go check that out instead and bring you along with me. I see some deer have already made their way through here this morning. Now that's more fun. I wonder if that's a fox. So it's only 25 degrees out right now, which is about -3 Celsius. But with the wind chill, apparently it's about 7 degrees, which is, I think, about -10 Celsius. So that explains why it feels a little brisk this morning. Oh, this is the life. Look at that sky. Sheesh. Oh, there's some deer on the trailhead. The good news is I'm downwind, but I think they'll still hear me pretty quickly. But let's see if we can get a little closer. Ain't you pretty? Oh, almost forgot. Do need some sort of breakfast. So. Oh. That does not taste as good as I remember these. These Cliff Builder bars, the protein bars. Ugh. Well, oh well. Keep trying to get shots of me walking up, but the wind keeps blowing over the tripod, so I guess you're stuck with this angle instead. But it is absolutely gorgeous. There's the view. The sun looks like an absolute laser beam. All right, time to head back, pack up, head out. Now here's something you don't see every day. Homo imbecilis. Tracks are fresh too. Came through less than an hour ago. Let's get this thing rolled up. I'm extra lumpy because I put my extra trash in my pockets to throw out. Alright, let's go. Whew. It is windy. Nothing like some fresh snow and cold winter air to get you going in the morning. Definitely time to put on the hat. Well, hello again, friends. So many deer today. It still amazes me how quickly you warm up while hiking with a pack on. Woo! Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. Well, friends, I'm almost at the trailhead, so thanks for following along. This is a good one. Oh my goodness, those cheesesteaks were delicious, and I'm glad I got to see the view from that little overlook. Got to share that with y'all, even if the sun was absolutely dominating the scene this morning. But what you gonna do? Anyways, good time in the woods. Great to wake up to some fresh snow, and thanks for following along. I'll catch you next time.